Hi, precious family. It's your girl Gloria. I trust all is well. Yeah, today we're making fried rice. Here are our ingredients. We have Scotch bonnet pepper, jalapeno pepper, green spring onions leaves, ginger well chopped. No one is going to bite anything. And garlic, green beans, butter. I have here my carrots, onions, bay leaf, curry powder, chopped sweet red pepper, and here I have bacon, salt, my oil, paprika, and chicken breast. Is the breast, chicken breast with a bone in it, so I need the broth, so I add the bone. And here is the spices to season the chicken. So I have tarragon, thyme, basil, onions, green onions, pepper, rosemary, sage, ginger, and garlic. There's our chicken. I left some of the spices that I blend. Our chicken is on the stove, seasoned with salt. I'm adding the paprika. Smelling so amazing. Smells so amazing. Look at that. Add in my oil to my pan. Okay, later I'll add a little bit of butter, so the oil should go in my curry powder, bay leaves, the aroma, some onions, a little bit of onion, okay? Just a little bit of it. A little bit of ginger and some garlic. Yeah, and I love this green spring onions. Some of the jalapeno pepper. The aroma. Okay. So now we put in our rice. We're gonna toast it. Fried rice, so we're toasting it. This is how we're frying it. This looks nice. Already, beautiful, smelling so yummy. adding my broth. I'm gonna add more water because the broth is not enough. Okay. Add a little bit salt. I tasted it, the salt is not enough. Okay. Gonna I cover it with Bounty. Okay. Ta-da. Good. Hey, Johnny, now you from say aroma here. You have to taste this food. You got to try this fried rice. Hey. Okay, my 2 tablespoon butter. This is the time for it, so I add it. Yep, do your thing here. Do your thing here. Okay. BB collections. And we had the foam say about your kama. And so hairstylist for weddings, naming ceremony. Dr. Strands GH. Obey your say fe. Alfredo, hey, about the Pama wedding dress, Nina, or Bombarding Womupa. Or not so yet, wear TK. Okay, I put my 2 tablespoons butter here. I want it to be a little bit golden brown, you see? Then we saute our veggies and season it a little bit. Good. Yep, see? See that? Okay, now our carrots. Oops-a. The carrots is cutting. So that one goes in first. But anyhow you want it. It's okie dokie. Followed by our ginger. And our garlic. Pepper. I'm adding in my bacon. Maybe a fried rice with a swaggle. Hey. Bây giờ cho nàng khâu thịt rồi mai. Don't bite your tongue eating this fried rice because Not easy here. So I'm using original Mama Betty's jollof rice spice, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the chicken to it too. Look, it's finished. Mashe, my spice not on. Oh, ma, spice not on. Mommy, my spice is finished. So I add the chicken to it. So go to originalmamabetty.com and get your spice, okay? Ow, 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 ow. Come to me. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Hey, hey. It's a banana. It be food, be that? Yes, so it be yo. Where be any when you ah, why the bedroom near the ayaka? Okay, now the chicken. Little bit paprika, 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 paprika. Now we're gonna mix this with the rice. Okay, so look. Now I'm adding the rest of the ginger because I want to taste the ginger fresh when I'm eating. So this is my way. So, and then the green spring onion. Now all the so you mix all together, then we're done. Our fried rices. Wow. Hey. Hey. The food looks so delicious, lovely, mouth-watering. I don't even know what to say again. Gorgeous. Hey, oh, family, thanks for watching. I'm telling you to try this fried rice, and you always eat fried rice. Thanks for watching. God bless. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye.